I don't have any.
Yes.
Are you gonna dance like a ballerina?
No.
Come on, I wanna get you again.
Okay, hold on.
You're gonna drop the gum.
No.
Okay, do the ballerina. Do back some.
Don't
Right,
sing.
right there. Yeah, sing.
A ballerina, a ballerina. Here.
Where are you going?
I'm getting something.
What?
A toy?
No, come here. I'm recording. Come here. Mia! Dale, do a ballerina.
A ballerina, a ballerina.
Close the door.
Huh? This one?
Yes. Put the thing on there. Put the thing.
What?
That thing. The goma. Mira. The thing that's on the door. Close the door. And it's right there on the handle. Mira. Ahí arriba. Right there. The rubber thing. Yeah.
I can't.
Yes, you can. Stretch it really hard. There you go. Okay, now do the ballerina.
A ballerina, a ballerina, a ballerina. Wait a minute. Come here.
No, be in the camera. Can we what?
Can you see my secret?
Yes.
Now?
No more. Okay, go dance the ballerina dance. Why? Because Kika's here?
Mm-hmm.
What does that have to do with that? Anything?
Ballerina, shit. Are you taking out a picture?
No, I'm videotaping.
You can take a picture and videotape.
Mm-hmm.
What's that? What's that?
Wow. Oh my God! That's too close. Stop. Get back. Good. I'm glad you. Oh, you're scaring me. Huh?
What is she eating? What is she eating? I'm eating chocolate. What is she eating, Oma?
Gum.
Oh, I want to eat gum.
I don't know where she got it from.
Yeah, where'd you get it from?